Hi guys, come and pack the beautiful Monique's order, and this is one order out of 2, and I'm so thankful for your support, especially because you're supporting a small business, not a large corporation, and we do happy dances when we get orders. So Monique ordered a small 120 value makeup and mystery box, makeup, beauty and mystery box, and I put way more than I should have, but if you guys know me, that's just how I roll. So let's wrap this up. And of course it's a mystery, so I'm not going to show you guys. Oh, I guess I could give you guys a sneak peek, just to show you how much is in there, which is lots and lots, way over the value I was meant to. But that's how thankful I was for your order to come through, especially since it's the first order in our new place. So there's that one. Now you also ordered a 10-item lucky dip, which comes with 2 pairs of shoes, 3 makeup beauty items, and 5 items of clothing in your selected size. So we got 1 pair of shoes, you got 2 pairs of shoes, and of course your bag with 5 lucky dip items in your size that you selected. And of course we've also got your makeup box that goes with your lucky dip. So all these are your lucky dip. Let's package it up for you. And for your free gift, I've thrown in our hot dog socks. They are absolutely amazing and I love them and I wear them all the time. So does my daughter. Not the same pair, we each have a pair. So let's package that up for you. Almost forgot, I need to wrap this box up so it does not tear the bag. I really hope you love everything, Monique. Thank you.